How to fix WeChat unusual network problem resolved. If you are encountering the WeChat unusual network problem, here is a step-by-step guide to how to resolve it. First of all you have to do is restart WeChat and your phone. Sometimes it is just a temporary glitch, so close WeChat completely, then restart your phone and try again. Once restarted, try switching your networks. Try changing your internet connection. All you have to do is drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen for the latest version of iOS. And once you drag down the control center, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, or simply try a different Wi-Fi network. You can also restart your router if needed. Then once you have switched the networks, go back to the home screen of your iPhone. And now in the home screen, look for the settings app, and all you have to do is simply tap on it. Now once inside the settings app, simply tap on the general option available there. Once inside the general, look for the iPhone storage option available there, and all you have to do is tap on it. Once inside the iPhone storage, you will be navigated to the list of apps option available there. All you have to do is scroll down and look for the WeChat app from it and simply tap on it. Then tap on the upload app and reinstall the WeChat app. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.